First, let's import our video and bring it to the video track. Make sure it is selected. Go to Tools Crop/Zoom/Pan. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom in effect to start. We will follow the stroke. Press the Add Keyframe button. Play the video until it reaches the point where you want the zoom in effect to finish. Press the Add Keyframe button again. Click and drag one of the corners in order to focus on the object you want to zoom into. Click the dot at the middle of the triangle to move the area on the object. Let's see the results. All done. Please subscribe.